Have you ever felt like you're going down in flames when trying to use an English idiom? It's a common struggle for many English learners, but don't worry, I'm here to help you master this tricky phrase. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of going down in flames. My friend Sarah was trying to impress her boss at a big presentation, but she ended up completely bombing it. After the presentation, she said, "I really went down in flames back there." But her boss thought she was talking about a literal plane crash, and he looked at her with complete horror. So, what does go down in flames actually mean? This idiom is used to describe a situation where someone or something fails dramatically and publicly. It's often used to talk about a business, relationship, or plan that ends in a very unsuccessful and embarrassing way. Let me give you an example of how to use go down in flames correctly. My friend Alex had been working on a big project at work for months. But when it came time to present it to the CEO, he completely messed up. He forgot all his talking points, the slides were a disaster, and he could see the disappointment on the CEO's face. Alex said, "I really went down in flames with that presentation. It was a total disaster." Here are some examples of how you can use go down in flames in different contexts. Casual conversation, "I tried to ask my crush out, but I totally went down in flames." Formal setting, "The company's new product launch was a complete failure, it really went down in flames." Negative context, "His political campaign was a disaster, and he went down in flames on election day." Humorous context, "I tried to do a fancy cooking technique, but it went down in flames and I ended up with a burned dinner." Literary context, "The hero's dreams of glory went down in flames as he faced the harsh realities of war." Business setting, "The startup's ambitious expansion plans went down in flames when they ran out of funding." Social media usage, "I tried to make a clever comeback on Twitter, but it went down in flames, and now I'm getting roasted." To help you remember the meaning of go down in flames, think of a plane crashing dramatically to the ground. The visual of a plane going down in a fiery explosion is a great way to connect the literal and figurative meanings of this idiom. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about the idiom go down in flames. The origins of this idiom can be traced back to the early 20th century, when it was often used to describe the dramatic failures of early aircraft. The idiom's dramatic imagery makes it a powerful way to express the finality and public nature of a failure. In some regions, you might hear variations like "go up in smoke" or "go down in a blaze of glory," which convey a similar meaning. This idiom is commonly used in contemporary language and can be found across various media, including books, movies, and television. Here are some other idioms and phrases that are similar to or related to go down in flames. Similar, crash and burn, bite the dust, fall flat on your face. Opposite, come out on top, succeed with flying colors, hit it out of the park. Related, go up in smoke, go down in a blaze of glory, go down swinging. Let's say you wanted to use the idiom go down in flames in a sentence, but you didn't want to use the actual idiom. You could rephrase it like this: "My big presentation at work was a total disaster. I completely messed it up and failed in front of everyone." In this case, the meaning is similar, but the phrasing is different. I remember a time when a colleague of mine used the idiom go down in flames perfectly in a conversation. He was talking about a big project he had been working on for months, and he said, "I really thought this project was going to be a huge success, but it ended up going down in flames. It was a total disaster." His use of the idiom was so fitting and effective in that context, and it really helped convey the scale of the failure. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom go down in flames. Go down in flames is the standard and most common form of the idiom. While go down in a blaze of glory exists, it carries a different connotation of heroic failure. Avoid confusing the two. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking the idiom refers to a literal plane crash, like in the story I told earlier. The meaning is about a dramatic public failure, not a physical crash. Inappropriate context, using the idiom to describe a minor or insignificant failure. It's best reserved for describing major, high-stakes failures. Alright, let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom go down in flames? A. To literally crash a plane. B. To fail dramatically and publicly. C. To succeed with great fanfare. Answer B. 2. Which of these is a synonymous expression to go down in flames? A. Come out on top. B. Crash and burn. C. Hit it out of the park. Answer B. 3. Which of these is an antonymous expression to go down in flames? A. Go up in smoke. B. Succeed with flying colors. C. Go down swinging. Answer B. In summary, the idiom go down in flames is a powerful way to describe a dramatic and public failure. We've explored its meaning, origins, and proper usage through relatable stories, examples, and even a few fun facts. Remember, mastering idioms like this can greatly improve your English communication skills. So keep practicing and don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom go down in flames in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons. I'll see you in the next video.